global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. While in Anambra, Professor Charles Soludo was busy inaugurating his commissioners, his ministers, and those he intends to work with, far away in his local government in Aguata, UGM have decided to pay him or pay his local government a visit that ended in premium tears. Well, in a moment, we're going to find out exactly what UGM did ahead of Nnamdi Kanu's case and a warning to Soludo that they're actually not joking. Would you like to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button? Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Some days back, officially, Professor Charles Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, had ended sit-at-home order, and of course, a lot of people insisted that the likes of Simon Ekpa and Autopilot would keep on getting it done in as much as Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. Few hours to come, the case of Nnamdi Kanu will be called up again, and obviously, from all indications, Simon Ekpa has actually called on another sit-at-home in commensuration with Nnamdi Kanu. While Soludo is in another part of Anambra State, of course, trying to see how he can get his team of workers together to take Anambra to the next level. In his local government in Aguata, a lot of videos went on and went viral, where some said allegedly that there's still some persons in the building when UGM set the secretariat in Aguata local government headquarters in Aguata local government on fire. It began very late in the day of today, and some persons alleged, I don't know how true that is, but they kept on saying that there were still people inside. Documents were burnt, and it was a warning signal to Professor Charles Soludo, that they will not be deterred and they will not be stopped, that this is just a warning that sit-at-home is not ending. Now the question now is this politically induced, or could it really, who are this UGM, and why have they decided not to go to another local government area, but to Professor Charles Soludo local headquarters of it? And just some days back, the professor or the governor, His Excellency Charles Soludo, had been on the fate of Anambra State, saying that even if they must do this or repair some of this secretariat and headquarters that UGM has visited, the monies that would have been used for something more different or something more profitable will have to be diverted to start correcting some of this infrastructure, those buildings that have been, set ablaze, of which these funds are really not available, judging the fact that he made public the monies of the funds that the former governor, Willie Obiano, left for him in cash and in debt. Now with this, I don't know how Professor Charles Soludo will react to this, but definitely it looks like we are already almost having a similar situation that is happening in Imo State. Is gradually playing out in Anambra State. I would prefer, or I would suggest, with due respect to our amiable governor, to look into stakeholders meeting very seriously. It looks like, I don't know if this is politically induced, but doesn't speak well. He's trying, no doubt about it, but maybe he needs to change strategy a little so that they don't go through the last resort, which is always militarization. Always doesn't end well. That's going to wrap it up. What's your take on the fact that UGM to defy or decided to visit allegedly the local government of the Anambra State governor, just to prove a point that they are not deterred? Let's interact with it.